Thanks for coming in. Look, I know that you're busy. I won't take too much of your time. Okay. Before we start, how are you? Everything cool with you? Nice. Great to hear. So, I wanted to ask you, are you happy with us? Is everything okay? Are you cool? Anything you don't like? Anything you...
Nothing.
Nothing what?
Nothing, man. I like nothing.
You mean you don't like anything?
Mate, I like nothing. What's up with you don't like? Why are you so negative?
Oh no, you misinterpreted. What I wanted to...
Look, I like not having meetings. That's what I like. I like not getting into useless or never-ending conversations. That's another thing I like. And I like to avoid those who are listening to others. Another thing that I like. It's all about what you like in life, man. Right. If that's all, I'll be on my way, okay?
No! Wait! What if we do a workshop?
Cool. You work, I shop. Best idea you had this entire shitty year. Alright, man. I'm off. Let's follow up on this shop work thing, okay? Peace.
Hey guys, in case you were confused, just like one of the characters from the story, no worries, I'm here to explain things clearly. So, life, because that's what was about, life, especially work, it shouldn't be about who is right and who is wrong. Normally we tend to perceive ourselves as being the good guys and the other people as being the bad guys. And this is not a very healthy mindset one could have. What we should do instead is try filling the shoes of the other person, seeing things from their perspective. By doing this, many insights will present themselves, insights which will enable us, empower us to mitigate or facilitate any situation for a very positive outcome. And since our two lovely Muppets mentioned meetings and workshops, I'm gonna seize the opportunity and talk about these two also. Meetings are normally for sharing information and broad discussions. Workshops are more practical. People get together to get stuff done. When referring to the scope of these two, in meetings you should briefly discuss about more topics, while in a workshop you should focus on just a single topic. Meetings require just a few hours of preparation, while a workshop needs some serious solid work done in advance, from 2-3 days up to 2 weeks. There are many debates, online and offline, meetings versus workshops, which is the best method. If you ask me, I don't think there is an ultimate approach. You'll always choose the most appropriate tool for any situation. And do that. You'll either need a meeting or a workshop, or you might just need to simply step away. Have some laughs, have some beers, carry on with your life. There you have it! If you enjoyed this episode, like, share, bookmark, follow, subscribe, do everything that you want to do, hit that bell, whatever, man! I'm Sip Rhymes from Design Tokens. I really hope you enjoyed this content. Thank you for tuning in. Stay safe, stay happy.